Alright, hello everybody. Today we're doing a video on the KW2 754. Now, this is obviously a KV2, but this is a German captured one. So you can see here we've got the German cupola on this thing. But it's just a regular old KV2, except it's the, I think the 1941 version of this. No, it's the 1940 version. But it is the 1940 version KV2. You've got a really good amount of side armor and frontal armor for being positioned at 3.7. However, because this is a KV2, you do have a very long reload, even with an ace crew, longer than an IS-2 gun. But we're going to take this beast out and see how well we can do. I'm so happy that everybody on the Discord decided on the KW2 for this to be the vehicle that I make a video on for heavies, because recently, I mean, you can look, I've done a lot of mediums and a lot of lights and a lot of SPAAs, but I really have only done 2 heavy videos, and I really do enjoy some heavy tanks. This low tier heavy is always a blast to play, because you really don't have to aim with it. You're a mortar with good armor, so it's always fun to use this guy. But there's a really large reason as to why this vehicle has such a special place in my heart, is because this was one of the quote-unquote first real premiums I bought. It was either this or the German M4, the captured Sherman. Realistically, now that I'm looking back at it, I really should have gotten the captured Sherman, but this KV2 has been in my lineup for quite some time. I just never, ever really used it. Up until probably about, I want to say a couple weeks ago, maybe about 5-6 weeks ago, when I actually played a couple matches with this thing. I did way back when, but not like the Panzer IVs or everything else, or I at least have like 40 matches. No, I only played about 10 matches in this vehicle. But I digress. Let's go roll up on some unsuspecting victims. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the Battle of the Beasts. And I got Gaijined. That's crazy. Run away! I don't know what our stir email is doing. Oh, I'm so sorry, child. KV2 is down. Nice job, stir email. Ooh, nope. I just got shot from behind, didn't I? Something that a lot of people don't realize, too, is at this BR, Germany is one of the best low-tier nations because of the 75 that the Germans get at this battle rating. Which, by the way, might I add, is absolutely busted. You've got like 140 mils a pin and a shit ton of explosive mass. Oh, that's a second one. Goodbye! I probably should have aimed my shot a little bit better. Bye-bye. Get him, Panzer III! Get him! Sick him, boy! Sick him! God damn it. There's a Chaffee right there. There's also another guy closer. He's like right behind this wall right here. That is unfortunate. We have lost some of our reload speed. Oh, for shit's sakes. Of course I run into the one thing that can kill me, hands down. You know, this guy's not terribly stupid for trying to shoot my cupola. Gun misfire. There we go. Didn't think he could go through at that angle. Oh, it looked like that round didn't even hit there. All right. Are you kidding me? He doesn't even see the Dicker Max. There's no way. Oh my god. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. He's smart, he'd try to snipe my cupola. That isn't friendly. Fuck. Is that a Halifax, or is that a P8? Nope. That's a Halifax. Now, again, I'm only saying this as a suggestion. To our teammates, we obviously don't have to do such a thing, but it would be pretty cool, guys, if we could get on the point. Just saying. Baller. I will say, though, the reload on this thing is absolutely detrimental at times. I need to remember this round actually has decent velocity. It's 530. Don't take my spot. Don't take my spot. Don't take my spot. I've got my spot. Oh, Battle of the Beasts here. Holy moly, hold on. Sit down. Oh, SC-152 down? Yeah, SC-152 down. There is a heavy right there. Brothers, a fella right here. What are you doing, Panzer IV? I don't even want to look at the profile. You know, I'm not gonna lie. Normally some people are like, oh, immediately do realistic. Realistic's so much better. No, start with arcade for at least 1,000 rounds. Are you fucking kidding me? Is that a T-3457? Yeah, no, that's not. Go get him, Stug. Go get him. I don't think I have any turret elevation, correct? No, I do not. Which is more than fine if this clown wants to round the corner, but I doubt he will. That's a fucking Calliope. And an Achilles. Now, if I had a 2-second reload, this match would be over. Oh, dear God. This isn't bad when you're on a map with a singular corridor that both teams have to go down. But as soon as it comes to an open field where the enemy can snipe and your team is German players with no eyes or ears, that's when it is genuinely over. Please drop a bomb on him, friendly. Friendly, drop a bomb on him. Okay. There we go. Yep. That might be the biggest skill issue I have fucking seen to date. I'm not helping you repair, brother. That is all you, my guy. Can I not repair my very obviously red gun that refuses to elevate or anything of the sort? Nope. Excuse me, home slice. Let me get past. I'm gonna have to cut out a lot of footage because, unfortunately, a majority of my teams just genuinely have not been good. Like, I'm not trying to, like, shit on other players, but when I say they have not been good, I mean they have driven out into the open in front of 3 enemies and not seen them. It's because the majority of the German players, unfortunately, right now, are new players, which means, naturally, they struggle. There we go. Well, it doesn't help that I'm also a hardcore American player either. Because believe me, when I say if I could have a Sherman right now, I absolutely would. The 4-second reload, or 5-second spaded on the 75 is just monstrous. Nope, I can't break through that. Oh, that's not frustrating at all. No, he's looking right at me. Okay. At least this Panzer IV seems to be moderately intelligent. I wasn't sure if I saw him over there. I thought I did. But I was correct. I did. Please, do not move. Yes. That's not going to kill me. And that was the guy that I killed earlier. He tried to revenge bomb me and then perished. God bless. Oh, shit. What medium are you? A dead one. Nice job, Panzer IV. Oh, you poor idiot. Nice. He played that really smart, but also really stupid. That was a terrible fucking idea. Yep, terrible fucking idea. Guy right there. I really wish I had a round that could penetrate these walls for machine gun fire. So, fun fact, this, I think it's the 7.7, right? No, 7.62. If you have a 7 point, I think like 7.8 or something, or maybe it's a 7.52, you can actually break these walls. Which is really sad. Oh shit. Please kill that man that's trying to shoot me. I beg. Oh, thank God. There's a medium still there. I'm gonna hide behind this corpse. That's right. Focus on him, not me. That's right. Oh, thank God. Go, 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 go. No! Aw, where's the M10? Probably behind me. Yep, behind me. Because our very blind Stug 3 that was getting shot 300 times didn't notice. Alright, here we go. Oh, for those that don't know, this is probably one of the most broken cast aircraft in the game, aside from the Italian 2.0 with a 37mm that gets APHE. But aside from that vehicle being the best, in my opinion, for its battle rating, this guy's pretty effective too. Why? Because you actually get APHE. Oh, did he just drop his 5K? Damn, that's fucking evil, bro. Please kill him. Yeah, let's go! Woo! Please kill him. Nope, only a hit. Oh. Please kill him. Hey, let's go. Alright, I need to regain my altitude and speed fast and, like, almost immediately, so that's what we're gonna do. I was hoping I could get him. GG's, well played. 4 kills. There was a plane off to my left. Don't see it anymore. It literally just disappeared. Oh well. GG's. But that has been it for the a KW2 video. I really hope you all enjoyed this. This was a little bit of a nightmare for me, especially considering that German teams this low tier are not the best. But we had a couple decent matches, a couple matches with about 5 kills for this thing, especially considering it has a 35.8 second reload because I don't have an ace level crew. It's a pretty fun vehicle. It's all right. It's got good armor. It's a 152 howitzer, so you basically hit anything anywhere by the turret cheek or cupola, and it's kind of game over. But overall, pretty fun vehicle. If you guys have any recommendations for any other vehicles I could play, leave them down in the comments section. I appreciate it. I read every single comment. But that's been it for this video. I hope you all have a good one, and until next time, ta-ta.